In this video, I'm going to show you for $1.19, right there, that price point, you're going to use 5 softwares that's going to help you every single day. It's going to insure your company. It's going to give you all your accounting. You're going to do federal taxes on it. It's going to keep all your receipts. You're going to be able to do all of your creative, write it, type it, add photos, videos, you name it. You're going to be able to do all your marketing, all your branding, make all your contracts pretty. You're going to be able to show your galleries to different people, make money off of that passive income too. What softwares do I use and which ones am I talking about? Let's get started. And at the same time, I'm also shopping for a new spot for me to live in, so there's that. So if you guys are looking for anything for your marketing, you want everything to match and look beautiful, you want everything to be already pre-sized, you want to do it for free, stock-free video footage. If you want music to add to that stock-free footage, Canva's your girl. If you want things for TikTok and Instagram and all social platforms, Pinterest and YouTube banners and Facebook, all these different things, Canva is your girl. It's in the description of this video, but also Canva Pro is worth every single penny. When I tell you, it's hot too, but when I tell you it is worth every single penny, it is. I don't know of a single business that is not using Canva. I'm telling you, big ad agencies, small ad agencies, wannabes, new people, established people, Canva is where you need to start. You got to get yourself a Canva account. As soon as you can afford the $119 a year, that's the first price point right there. Please get yourself Canva. You're not gonna regret it. It's going to change everything about your business, all your marketing, all your stationaries. Oh, also, you wanna make merch for yourself? Like let's say you have a very cool logo, which you probably do. You can actually order merch with it right through Canva. It's crazy. But Canva is that good. Let's go to point number 2. It's so hot, I just gotta get a beer. Then I'll go see the next apartment. Alrighty, I'm gonna hold the mic close to my mouth because it is pretty loud in here. I'm just having a quick beer and then I have my appointment for the next place. The second thing that I want you to get, you must get, like if anything must get this one, is this thing right here. It's called QuickBooks Self-Employed. I think I paid about $5 when I started a month. I'm on some promo, but it is $15 a month now. 15 is a steal. It is absolutely a steal for the services that come with this. Do you know that as a business, you can pretty much deduct many things for your business and then you pay less in taxes? Do you want to carry all of those receipts? No, you don't. So what I'll do is, if I use my debit card, if I use my credit card, what will happen is it'll come on my QuickBooks. Now, the thing about QuickBooks real fast is you're probably like, uh-oh, it's linked to your bank accounts. Yes, it is, in that you get the data, but it cannot make transactions for you. So nobody can move your money within QuickBooks. So let's just say you spent your credit card, you bought something like camera gear, right? Instead of keeping that receipt, you take a picture of it, it gets uploaded to their cloud. Now you don't have to hold on to it anymore. You don't have any more dusty receipts. You don't have a pile of receipts for taxes. And speaking of taxes, you can file your federal income taxes right through QuickBooks. And on top of that, for a small business, like a 1 or 2 person business, it's phenomenal. It's probably the best tool. I have the app on my phone, so what'll happen is, not only do I get to deduct every expense, but I get to say, oh, this is a personal one, swipe one way. If it is business, I'll swipe a whole different way. But then on top of that is it tracks, it's linked to Google Maps, so it tracks your miles. So let's just say I drive from point A to point B, it'll say, hey, you drove from this exact address to this exact address. I know it's scary that they track you, but miles is such a money saver for your taxes. So you get to say, yeah, I was, for example, going to a photo shoot. So that is categorized as for that photo shoot, there and back. I went to go pick up props or art department things or rentals for that photo shoot. Instead of keeping it all in a little notebook and risking losing that notebook and not doing it, your phone sends you a reminder 20 seconds after your car stops, or 30 seconds, something like that, and then you do it. Keeps all your receipts, keeps all of your miles together. It goes from personal to professional invoices. It tells you how much you have in each account, It tells you how much money went out of every single account. It lets you do your federal income taxes. It's incredible. It is, you might be able to even get a promo. In fact, no. I do have a promo. The link is right down there in the show notes. I'm gonna go check out my next appointment, finish out my beer, and we'll go to point number 3. That's a no. Like, that's a hard no. I asked if I could, I was like, can I even film like for a YouTube video where I'm not focusing on the property? No, you can't do that. I was like, I can insure the building for like $1 million coverage, which is very standard. And she's like, well, no, we have to go through this. And I'm like, can I do this? Like, oh, you want to rent these chairs, these cabanas? $250 for the first 2 hours. I was like, that's a no, that's a hard pass. If your guests come over, I have to pay $17 to park. I'm not charging my guests, like put that on my credit card. But still though, imagine having a party, your parking fee is like $500. Anyways, let's talk about insurance. So the third thing that I really need you guys to get is insurance. This is a company I use. This is how much an annual policy is. Insurance is amazing because what if your camera gets lost? What if your camera is dropped or stolen? You're covered. What if somebody in your crew loses like a lens or somebody, you have a second shooter? You are covered. What if you accidentally, God forbid, you fall, you get hurt, or somebody you hire falls and gets hurt? You are also covered. So to me, insurance is a no-brainer and it's worth every single penny that you'll be paying. The other thing about insurance is, for example, I just spoke about possibly renting out of that building. I'm not going to, but if you rent out of that building, I was like, I can insure you guys for $1 million. Whether I'm having a shoot at this park right here, or I'm doing a YouTube video in the building, or I'm renting somebody's house, I can insure them for $1 million for this cost right here. They will write a certificate. They'll write your name, your address. They'll say you are covered in the insurance policy on this day, between this time to this day and that time. That's a lifesaver. That allows you to rent gear, that allows you to rent properties, that allows you to hire people and feel like, oh God, please don't drop that. Please don't drop that. Of course, we are gonna be like, please don't drop that. Like, you can actually be relaxed and go, okay, yes, if a lens drops, yes, if something happens, you are covered. You don't want it to happen, but you're covered. Insurance is absolutely vital. So insurance is number 3. So I'm looking at the footage for this video that you're watching right now, and I realized I forgot to record number 4, which is my favorite app, GoodNotes. Okay, GoodNotes is this killer system where you can actually pick the cover of your notebook and then you just start taking notes. What's so cool about this is that I get to take notes, be very creative about it. I get to use highlighter and pen and different colors and put photos and everything. So you could take notes with typing it out, or you could be a pen person. So if you have an Apple Pen or Apple Pencil, whatever it's called, then you could take notes on virtually anything. And instead of having, which I love notebooks, but instead of having a whole bunch of notebooks, I have a whole bunch of notebooks inside just my iPad. So this is just for one client. I have all these individual notebooks. I have one for Aryan, for example. If we take notes and I can share the screen with him. And so when I'm writing something, he actually sees it on his GoodNotes app too. GoodNotes allows you to be creative brainstormer, allows you to journal, or allows you to share that and look at it on your iPhone app. It's just such a good note-taking app. I personally, if I write with a pencil, I love it. That to me puts me in a more creative space. I remember things better. I'm more creative if I can draw things out. Oh, I want to add a photo in there? I could do that too. For example, here is me using GoodNotes for this new illustration system that I want to use for my social media. This is me literally writing notes and saying, I don't like this, I like that. All these different notes that I have on there. GoodNotes is phenomenal. My daily planner is on GoodNotes. By the way, this is available for purchase. You can get the exact same one, actually 2 or 3 different copies for like $5. How do I make a new page on GoodNotes? So this is my daily planner that I use, and I want to make a new page. Just boom, new page added, and forever and ever. Now I'll show you how I do my daily planner so you get a better idea. But GoodNotes is free. You get 3 notebooks. If you want to use the paid version, it's unlimited notebooks for how much? $7. That's a great deal. Anyways, let's go back to my home shopping in downtown Los Angeles. For those people familiar with downtown LA, it's a scavenger hunt. And it's kind of like living a la carte life. You want to use the pool? Well, it's $15 a guest, and only you're allowed 3 guests, and you're allowed to be at the pool for 2 hours. So we're not doing that. Let's keep going.
Mumbai is like that in India.
Okay, this one is by far better. So that's the neighbor's. It's got a closet right here. Bathroom. Comes out to this other door. I like this view a lot. I see some of the hills. I like that it's a view of the pool. Oh God, I wonder how much this one is. This is office, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I could do this. People down there. Like, I really, really like this one. We can't go out there, but that's the balcony, and that's the view of the balcony, and it's nice. This is the thing about living down like place like this. All the neighbors end up seeing you. Like, I don't care though. That's the thing. But this is a nice view. This is where the sun sets. So you get the nice orange skies, and then yeah, I do. And then that's the other building. Oh, this is I don't even know if just the bed fits, and that's it. And big kitchen area. All right, I want to talk to you guys about the 5th one, which is called Pixieset. Pixieset is free. You should be really only using the free one until you have so much business that you're like, okay, I have to upgrade. I just recently upgraded like 2-3 months ago, and it's $10 to upgrade. The reason why I'm doing the upgrade version is because some of my photo clients want to revisit some of the older shoots that we've had. So they're like, don't get rid of them, just have them there because I might actually want to use them and pull and pay extra for them. Fine, I'm happy to do that and pay the $10 a month. But you can get away with the free one for as long as possible. If you're a wedding photographer and you're like, I want to make some good passive income, I want to sell prints, but I don't want to print these out. I don't want to ship them out. I don't want to address them. I don't want to buy postage. I don't want to go to the post office. You can do this. Hello there.
Hey guys.
What you doing? They do this for you. They do your printing, they do your shipping, and they'll say, okay, 8x10s, we're going to charge you $2.30, for example. This is how much we charge for an 8x10, but I can schedule it to be any price that I want it to be. So let's just say I have a very high-end wedding, and I'm like, each 8x10 is $18. Okay, the client only sees $18. They can download those images. I can sell them digitals, or I can actually sell them prints. Once I sell them the prints, that's it. I just see the money. I don't print it, I don't ship it, I don't even see these images. That's the beauty of using Pixieset for your photography. It looks professional, it's password protected. Pixieset, you must have it. It's only $10 a month for the pro, but I think you can get the free one, so that's our tally right there. I hope that these helped you. This video here is gonna help you out a ton. Subscribe to this channel if you wanna learn more about photography, making money with it. My name is Waleed. I'll talk to you next time. I'm gonna keep looking for a home in this big, big city. And yeah,